once again we boarding around the Stockholm area to see different places. So over there is Stockholm. It's a private boat. We'll go around here. Con tôi chứ nữa. Ok. We reach បងអានេះខៅអីដែរបងអានេះខៅកោះអីដែរកូនកោះតូចកោះតូចកូនកោះ Okay so we reach the destination of Koonkos here the water here is okay blue okay ocean water salty water okay anh đi cốc bóng đi cái cắt mỏ oh khơi trai đã hả oh a lot of fish yeah try oh there's a lot of fish here oh there's a lot of fish Giang Giang team bạch tinh trái khát luôn
tinh mơn chiêng ta bảo
dạ ok
tinh mà là
vô thì nhắm sai cái bạn này
mùi là
dạ
Are we going there?
cái này mùi là
buồn là ok
Are we going there?
no we cannot think the huh have the bàn what you want me take picture for you
Yeah.
all right oh my God sorry go back to that one.
What you do? Yeah, let me see.
Okay, all right. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3, do anything. All right. Okay. 1, 2, 3, do anything. All right. Good. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. We'll go here. See, there's a lot of fish here. Woo. Ooh. Yeah, you can swim. You want to swim? But you have to wear that life jacket, right? You have to wear a life jacket. Go ahead, I take a picture for you.
Alright.
À nâng dương cho swim cho muaទឹកបានទេបងណា
cho
ទៅទៅពាក់អាវ
iPhone
Okay. You have to wear a life jacket.
Okay, that's cool.
It's okay, I'm just sightseeing. I'm not going to swim, okay? Oh, there's a lot of fish here. Oh, there's plenty of fish. And I have got more. Got more, okay. So we come to see some kind of called cat more. I think it's probably crystal clear rock. Okay, but there's a lot of fish here. There's a lot of fish. Yeah, you have, you have to wear your life jacket. Okay, all right. So this is the Pacific Ocean, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Dươngពាក់ស្បែកជើងឲ្យដែរបង
គាត់ចង់ពាក់អីក៏លោកគាត់ឈរទៅជន់
Yeah, you have to wear a shoe, Paula. Probably the rock.
No, don't have to wear a shoe.
Rock, probably.
Rock?
Yeah, the rock is. The rock is. I don't know. They say that's what. But unless you don't step on the rock, you're okay. You have cockle there, okay.
Yep, snorkeling.
Thì ăn ngủ đây thì ăn chả hao đấy. Dần, nhưng mà đây nhưng mà mơ, okay. See try, okay. So there's fish right here. Ooh, a lot of fish. Ooh, you see the fish here? There's a lot of fish here. Ooh, ooh. A lot of fish. A lot of fish. Sure it's comfortable for you, okay?
Yeah.
Got small. Mày bán à? Xịt ra bán này. Xịt bán là xịt tay nó lừa cô đó hả? តើខ្ញុំទឹកបានទេ
Bắt xí mà dữ tì.
យ៉ានឹងដាក់នុយមិនបញ្ឆោតនុយបញ្ឆោតវាមិន
Bạn.
ច្រើនណាស់ខាងណាមើលទូអីចិត្តតែអូន
ណា
សួយ
អូខេនំសូយ
បាច់អនេះទេហ៎
អូខេបាទ
មកបាច់ទេលីអូស៊ីទេនេះតាមមើលមកច្រើនដល់បែកទេណា
Here for Paula alright Paula will go swim to see the crystal clear rock or some kind of color កាថ្មokay cool huh
A little bit.
okay 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 so Paula will swim around the probably បងអានេះយើងអាចទៅដល់នឹងអត់ទេអត់ទេ
ខែទៅដល់ដល់ទៅមានមើលឃើញខ្លាំងខ្លាំង
អូខេ
ការទៅ
អូកាថ្មអូខេអូខេ
យើងចេះតែចប់នោះ
អត់អីទេអានឹងនេះតាដាក់ទៅមិនដែរតា
ស្អាតនោះ
ហ៎យ៉ាង
Thì ông mới đến đó đấy.
បានមួយអត់ទេ
អត់ជំនាញផងឯង
ពីបានតែស៊ុយតែនៅលើទេ លើគោក
ឯងបានតែស្ទូចស្រីទេ
និយាយលេង
ស្រីអត់បានអត់ស្រីអត់បានស្រី
អត់ស៊ុយស្រីអូខេ mình chẳng muốn con hào tới cái mình hào tới cái cho chúng mua phá la à rồi đó nói thì Paula's almost reached to the bay now to see cat small probably the crystal clear rock okay all right let's see so there we go there ត្រីច្រើនណាស់ បាទ
មើលជឿមកទុកមកមើលរត់មកចើ បាទថ្ងៃមើលឃើញដល់បាទណា
យ៉ាមើលឃើញទេមិនសូវជ្រៅហ្មងណា
អីជ្រៅបង
ប្រហែលម៉ែត្រដែរនេះ2ម៉ែត្រ3ម៉ែត្រណា
ដែរតែគេพูดទៅតែទឹកវាខ្លាចមើលឃើញជ្រៅមក
បាទ okay so you gonna swim
Yeah.
yeah go my brother will be there
គេអាពងតែ
yeah ដាក់ទៅ my brother will help you okay
ដល់អាយប្រាប់ចឹង
ទីទៅស្វៀមទៅកូនទៅជាមួយកូនទៅអូខេការពារខ្លាច
ឈប់ម៉េច
ខ្ញុំបាននេះខ្ញុំអត់ស្វៀមទេខ្ញុំនេះអ្នកមើលខាងទេសភាពគេ អ្នកខាង video top alright so
អាវតូចពេកកូនយ៉ាធំ
okay here we go
ដាក់ទេឲ្យថត
ចង់សក់
Yeah, you have to go ទៀនទៅជាមួយចឹង
អីទេទៅកោ
ផល្លាវាមកវិញណាហ៎ he reach ទៅដល់ហើយណា
តាមមកតាមរូបភ្នំ
ចាអានេះមានជាជននៅដែរបង
លោកនៅណែនអត់
អូមានលោកចឹងជាវត្តមានវត្តណាអូអូខេ Okay, all right. Thank you. Goodbye. See you next time.